Becoming a single mother in the United States. I had just moved to the United States, got pregnant, and suddenly became a single mother, a single mom. Jamaicans say mummy. So, new country, new system, new roadmap, just responsibilities and a decision to figure it out. Let me tell you something most people will never say out loud. The problem is not that life became hard. No, it didn't come. It's sometime, but it didn't. The real problem is you were never taught how powerful you could become because it got hard. You understand what I'm saying? Hard seasons don't break you, they reveal who you are. Because what looked like struggle was actually the moment was being built. If you ever had life changes overnight, save this video, like, subscribe, and share, and comment, I am stronger than I thought. Okay? So let's jump into this video. What people see. From the outside, people see a single mother, a woman trying to survive, someone starting all over. I just moved here. They see the situation, but they don't see the strength being formed inside of it. Let me be clear. Hear this. People see the pressure, but they don't see the power it's creating. The pressure, but they don't see the power it's creating. If I don't say this clearly, some of you will define yourself by your situation instead of how you respond to it. What's the real problem is? The real problem is this. You've been taught to see struggle as setbacks instead of a setup. When I became a single mummy, I didn't have option to stay stuck in emotions. I had to move. Think. Build. Provide. Now hear this. Responsibility will activate a level in your comfort never had. You understand that? And if I don't say this, some of you will keep wishing life was easier instead of recognizing how stronger you have become. Excuse me, sorry. So, if you ever had a rise if you have to rise because you had no choice, comment, I rose anyway. Because that matters. It really does. So the shift that changed everything for me, I realized something in that season. No one was coming to save me. Single mom, nobody come to save me. Instead of it breaking me, that freed me. Now hear this. The moment you realize it's on you is the moment your power returns. Because now every decisions matter. Everything. Because I'm a little baby responsible for me. I'm responsible for every move, every step matters. So why people stay stuck? Some people stay stuck in the hard season because they stay in this story of what happened. What is that? Something just fell. Of what happened. They stay in the pain. They stay in the identity of struggle. Hear this. You can go through something hard without becoming someone stuck. If I didn't shift my mindset, I would stay overwhelmed. Because I choose to build instead. So how does this benefit you? Let me bring this back to you. My pregnancy back to you. Because this is not just a story. This is your power. When you stop seeing yourself as a victim of circumstances, you start recognizing your strength. You move with intention despite pressure. You build instead of break. Everything changes. Everything. Now hear this. You are not behind. You are being prepared. That season didn't delay my life. Oh, I don't know what I would do without her now. It shaped it. And this is exactly what we work on inside my style lab. Because it's not just about style and what you look like. It's about rebuilding your identity after life changes. Showing up with confidence no matter your season. Aligning your present with your inner strength. Stepping into your next level unapologetically. If you're ready to rise differently, come join my Style Lab. We want you inside there. So, the woman you become. That season of becoming a single mom, mother, mommy, it didn't just teach me how to survive. It taught me how to lead my life. Remember, nobody's coming to save me. I have to lead my life. How to think differently. How to move strategically. How to trust myself again. Now hear this. This is the point. The woman you become in hard seasons is the woman who changes your future. People see where you are now, but they don't see what it took to become her. They don't see that. They see the prettiness. But so no, the season wasn't the end of your story. It was the beginning of your strength. If I didn't go through that, becoming a single mom, new in the United States, I wouldn't have become who I am today. A grandma of 4, live in a family compound, 4 generations. And if you are in a hard season right now, You're not breaking. You are building. Look at the brighter side. You are building. How can you build from this? Let this sink in, darlings. And I see you in the next video. Much love. But before you go, I wrote a book. This is Not a Practice Life by Jacqueline Young Landay. It became a bestseller on Amazon. Amazon sells it in hardcover, paperback, and Kindle. If you want an autographed copy, just jump over to JYL Lifestyle on Instagram, shoot me a message, and I get with you. But if you can go back to Amazon and purchase and read it. Don't put it on the shelf. Read it. And after you read it, it's very small read. It don't take long to read. Look, it has pictures in there. It's a very easy read. After you read it, please go back to Amazon and write me a review. I greatly appreciate this. And the best part of it is give it to someone else. Give it to a friend, a sister, a woman, a family member. Give it to someone else. And if you're new, welcome. I appreciate you taking the time to listen. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate the time that you're listening. And if both of you guys have not subscribed, comment, share, and hit that bell button so you won't miss any of my videos, do it right now. All right. Oh, before I leave, let me show my outfit. It's a little bit chilly here in Florida, so I said, let me just wear this because I'm going to warm up for lunch when I go out with my husband. So I have this dress. My daughter calls it a paper bag because it's just crazy looking. I have it in 3 colors. Look at it. I have it in pink, gray, and black. But I'm wearing this jacket over it, which is pick up the pink. It has orange because I love orange. And so in the morning when I go now, it's going to be cool. But when I'm ready to go for lunch with my husband, I just take it off. And I have this beautiful dress. All right, guys. That's it for now. And I see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.